So far, we have seen 4 data types and different types of operators. We know that the plus is an arithmetic operator that adds values. In Python, this operator performs an additional useful job of string concatenation, means adding 2 strings together. Let's see a few examples. Suppose you have 2 variables that have stored 2 string values. Variable x stored string value revenue for the year is, and please note that this entire sentence is within the quotes, and variable y stored a string value of 5,000. We can combine these 2 strings like this. Print and in parentheses x plus y, which represent those 2 strings values. Run this expression and here are our 2 strings. Please note that I have added space before 5 in variable y. Otherwise, it would look like this. We can also combine strings with numbers. For example, combining a string stored in variable x with a number value 5,000 this time. Let's see what happens when combining 5,000, a number, with a string first. Run this expression and there is an error, unsupported type. We are combining 2 different types of data, number and a string. Python requires us to follow some rules when combining 2 different data types. Python coding rule is to convert the number into a string first and then combine these 2. We will use a string function to convert a number into a string like this. And now let's print it. Revenue for the year is 5,000.